trimming the in and out points using the Ripple Edit tool. So I would like to come down and trim off a portion. And in so, it's going to create a gap. And I'd like to be able to close that gap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this to the nearest in and out mark. So right here at the beginning of a clip here. And then I'm going to come over here to this Ripple Edit tool. I'm going to come down here and grab a hold of this cut right here of this time head, and I'm going. Notice how it gives me that bracket with an arrow, and I can go either direction of it. And I'm going to hold my left mouse button down, and I'm going to drag it. So I'm going to drag it over quite a bit so you can see. So I'm going to drag it over. I'm going to let it go. And notice how the clip over here shifted to the left and it filled in that gap. All right, because it used to be the in and out mark, the out mark or in mark, whatever it was right here. And so this is a very quick and easy way to edit. And so the trick is you got to have your time head near in and out mark here. And you want to go over here and make sure you're choosing the Ripple Edit tool. There are 3 different tools here. Make sure you're the Ripple Edit tool, and then just hold down with your left mouse button and pull over. You can go either direction. And when you let go, it will close the gap caused by trimming.